Well, hello again, guys. So I'm in my kitchen, and I know the last video I did was basically in my kitchen also. However, this time is going to be a little bit different. Now, I'm not going to do the big clean or whatnot, but I do still need to do a few cleaning things before I get to the actual project that I'm planning to do in the kitchen. So first, what I need to do is unload the dishwasher. Hang on, let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So I started my dishwasher earlier in the evening. This is like July 4th, but you're going to be seeing this kind of later, I think, in August. Anyway, so I washed the dishes and everything, but I need to unload them. And I have a few dishes in the sink that needs to be dealt with. And then I got to move to sweeping and mopping the floor. Because as you can see, it's got like cat litter kind of like all over the floor. Plus I need to do a little bit of mopping and everything. So I got to do some mopping. And then one other thing I'm thinking about doing is I was going to try to work on the organization under here. I've done it, let's see, let me get this back up. Okay, so I've done it probably, I'm going to say maybe 6 months ago, I think. But anyway, it really needs to be redone. And what I'm thinking about doing, okay, so organization will be like right here. And of course I have some stuff like right here too, right here. I don't know if I'm going to change that up or not or anything like that, but we'll see what happens. And then I have stuff in here too, like cleaning supplies or whatnot, and even stuff down in this little cabinet thing here. But most of this is like, kind of like light bulbs and stuff, but I have some cleaning stuff in here as well. But anyway, what I'm thinking about doing is I was going to kind of categorize it and see what I could do about putting kind of things together per se. So, and then also maybe just figure out like if I have any empty bottles, and if I do, use them for any Godly Granny products, whatnot, and all that stuff. So anyway, I don't know how this is going to go, but I figure, hey, we will figure it out together. So anyway, so join me as I not only get the dishes, from the dishwasher put away, and then put the other stuff that's in the sink in there, plus sweep and mop. And then once we get done with all that, we can start with the organization. Okay, let's see what we get done in this video. And stay tuned. Okay, so this is the trash that's left over. And then this is what's up here in this shelf right here. So I got my dishwasher pots here. And then I got my Godly Granny 1000 right there behind it. And then in this thing, it's just a little bit of miscellaneous and a little bit of Godly Granny stuff right here. And then this is something to use in the sink, but I have still yet to use it. And of course, my DIY stuff right here, like a Dawn spray wash and all that. But anyway, so that's what's right there. Okay, what's down here underneath my kitchen sink, what I did was is I like kind of like stuff back here is I don't use it every day pretty much, and so I put it back here in the back. And then this is kind of like my DIY or Godly Granny stuff that I'll kind of use right here. That's right in here. And then of course this is like everyday stuff I'll be using when I need to clean right here. I backed away from the kitchen, underneath the kitchen, cabinet, like sink area, so that way you can get a more full visual look. But that's what's right there. Okay, and we are in the laundry room now, and I try to kind of clean it up and straighten it up a little bit. But as you can see, everything's put in its place and everything. So this is also cleaners. And this is stuff I don't use every day either, but I put these over here because there was no way I was going to fit underneath underneath the cabinet in the kitchen sink area. So I put this right here, and this is like laundry detergent, like right here. And then on the very back, when that gallon thingy is Miss Myers. So the rest of it is pretty much the same, laundry detergent, all that stuff up there. And that's pretty much it, guys.